Jamaica's girls under-19s made a winning start to their Carifta water polo campaign with a 16-3 triumph over Barbados as action splashed off today at the National Aquatic Centre. Chanel Houghton was outstanding for Jamaica's girls with 9 goals.
They did that very well this afternoon. They stick to our game plan. They played our water polo, that hard defense, getting us a lot of counters. And then we had a very strong hole man in Chanel Houghton that performed very well today. But this is just the first of a best of 5. So we're looking to keep this hard work going forward.
Now the Jamaicans were also victorious in the 16 and under boys section with a 20-2 win over Curacao. But the local team were brushed aside 16-5 by the Bahamas in the mixed event. Now 16 debutants have been named in the 36-member squad by the Aquatic Sports Association of Jamaica, ASAJ, to represent the nation at the 33rd staging of the Carifta Swimming Championships in Kingston between March 31 and April 3. All 11 members in the 11 to 12 age group category and 5 of the 11 athletes in the 13 to 14 category will be swimming at the regional meet for the first time. 12 overseas swimmers, including Brianna Renort, who secured 6 medals from last year's edition in the Bahamas, are included in the squad. The overseas-based swimmers are Gabriana Banks, Annabella Lynn, Sean Johnson, Simone Vale, Emily McDonald, Morgan Cole, Jaden Lynch, Nicholas Vale, Jesse Marsh, Adrian Grant and Cameron Brown. Senator Alvaranga, who secured 6 medals last year, is among the stars in the squad. The team will be guided by a 3-member coaching panel comprising Wendy Lee, Gillian Millwood and Linville Lowe.